Good evening, guys. Welcome back. Welcome back with the additional of today's newspaper on Thursday. Yes, it's still Thursday, August the 8th, 2024. We have here 7 extra puzzles. Those puzzles are the letter Sudoku, the 2 stars, the 3 stars, and the 4 stars Sudoku. We have 2 jigsaw Sudokus, one with 4 stars, one with 1 star. In Dutch, take on the cipher block. In Japanese, Suguru. And the last puzzle is the binary puzzle. And these puzzles, I'm not interested. Total of 7 extra puzzles. 4 of them I will solve this evening. Not all. Why not? Well, it's too much for me, time consuming, and I need the same time for uploading it to YouTube. Yeah, otherwise it will be a day job for me. And besides, I've already solved 3 regular puzzles this afternoon. Yeah, that's a lot of puzzles. All right. The first one. Let me start with the 3 star Sudoku. Well, I can choose also between this one and that one, the 2 stars and the 3 stars. But this 2 stars has 26 printed digits, and this one has 31 printed digits. So it should be an easy one, this one. Easier than that one, because this one has more printed digits. Well, the publisher has indicated with this 3 stars. So sometimes you have a puzzle with a lot of pairs, a lot of hidden numbers, then you will need more time to solve the puzzle. Usually the 3 stars puzzle has 25 printed digits. Well, this one has 31 printed digits. Should be a 0 stars. For 0 stars puzzle, need to be faster than 13 minutes. Well, it's indicated with 3 stars for 3 stars puzzle, 20 to 30 minutes. By the way, this one will be number 9053. Almost forgot to write it down. Okay. Alright, let's get started. 1 in this row, 1 in the middle row. So the row above, the only 2 places left, 1 should be here or there. We have 1 in this column, no 1 there, 1 should be there. 1, 1, need 1 there. 1 in this column, 1 in the second column. So the first column, the only 3 places left, 1 should be here or there. We have a 1 in this row, no 1 there. 1 in the row below, no 1 there. The only place left, 1 should be there. And all the 1s are used. I can see digital 1, number 1. 2. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 missing numbers in this big square. 1 of missing numbers 2. We have a 2 in this row, no 2 in these 2 boxes. We have a 2 in the last column, no 2 in those 2 boxes. 1 box left with the 2 in this big square. Should be there. 2 in the last column, 2 in the column next. So in that column, there are only 2 places left. The 2 should be here or there. We have a 2 in the third row, no 2 there. 2 should be there. 2 in this row, 2 in the middle row. So in the row above, the only 2 places left. The 2 should be here or there. We have a 2 in the second column, no 2 there. 2 should be there. 2 in the third column, 2 in the second column. So the first column, the only 2 places left. The 2 should be here or there. We have a 2 in this row, no 2 there. 2 should be there. And all the 2s are used. I can't see. Digit number 2. Alright, how about the 4 then? 4 in this column, 4 in the column next. So last column, the only 2 places left. The 4 should be here or there. We have 4 in this row, no 4 there. 4 should be there. 4 in this row, 4 in the middle row. So the row below, the only place left. The 4 it should be there. 4 in the first row, 4 in the third row. So the row between the second row, the only 2 places left. The 4 should be here or there. We have 4 in the first column, no 4 there. 4 should be here. And all the 4s are used. I can't see. Digit number 3, number 4. Okay. Alright. 3 missing numbers now in this big square. 1 of the missing numbers are 3. We have a 3 in the first column, no 3 there. We have a 3 in this row, no 3 there. So the only place left with 3 should be there. 2 numbers left now in this big square for numbers 1, the 2, 3, the 4, 5 is missing. And the 6 is missing. 5, the 6, 5, the 6. We have a 5 in the middle row, no 5 there. 5 should be here. 6 goes there. Alright, 1 box left now in the middle row for number 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, and the 5, the 6, the 7 is missing here. Alright. 5 5, 9, 6. Two missing numbers in this row. For numbers the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, 6 is missing. The 7, the 8, and 9 is missing. 6 and 9, 6 and 9. We have a 9 in this big square. No 9 there. 9 should be here, and the 6 goes there. Two numbers left now in this big square. For numbers the 1, the 2, 3 is missing. The 4, the 5, the 6, 7 is missing. 3 and the 7, 3 and the 7. And two numbers left in this big square. For numbers 1, the 2, 3, the 4, 5 is missing, and 6 is missing. 5 and the 6, 5 and the 6. We have a 6 in this column, no 6 there. 6 should be here, and the 5 goes down. 3 in the third row, 3 in the second row. So the first row, the only two places left with the 3 should be here or there. We have a 3 in this column, no 3 there. 3 should be there. Then 3, 3. Then 3, 3, 3. Then 3, 3, 3. Okay. 5, 5. Come on, come on, come on. 6, 6, 6. 7, 8, and 9. 7, 8, 9. No, 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 no. Come on, come on, come on, come on. Take it too long, take it too long. The hard part, the hard part. Yeah, 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 yeah. Yeah, 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 yeah. Then 4, 5, 6, 8, 5, 6, 8, 5, 6. Need a 6 there. Need a 6 here. That means in this row we need a 6 there. Need a 6 here. Need a 6 there. Okay. Interesting, interesting, interesting. I'm stuck now. I'm stuck. I need to think. I need to think here. 5, 8, 9, 5, 8, 9, 5, 8, 9. 8, 6, 7 in this column, 7 in the third column, so the column between the second column, the only place level 7 should be there. Can we do something with the 7? Need a 7 there. Need a 7 there. Need a 7 here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 7. We have a 7 in the last row, no 7 in these two boxes. We have a 7 in the last column, no 7 in that box. So the 7 in this big square could be here, could be there. 7 in one of those two boxes. In this column, 7 in the last column, so the column 3. No, only two places left. The 7 should be here or there. We have a 7 in this row, no 7 there. 7 should be there. Need a 7 here. That means we need a 7 there. Okay. Cannot continue with the 7. How about need a 3 there. Well, we have a pair. No, 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 no. Not true, not true. Not true. No 6 here. No 6 here there. Need a 6 there. Yeah. 1, 2, 3, 4 missing numbers in the first row. One of the missing numbers is 6. Well, here give me 6. We have a 6 in this column, no 6 there. Here give me 6. We have a 6 in this column, no 6 there. So the 6 in the first row could be here, could be there. Here or there, we see another 6 in this column, no 6 there. 6 should be there. 6, 6. Alright, then 8, 9, and a 5, 5. 3 missing numbers in the first row. One of the missing numbers is a 5. Here can be 5. We have a 5 in this column, no 5 there. Here can be 5. We have a 5 in this column, no 5 there. Only place left 5 in the first row should be there. So two numbers left, the 8 and the 9. Yeah. Here also two numbers left in this big square for numbers 8 and a 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and a 9. We have an 8 in the third column, no 8 there. 8 should be here and a 9 goes there. And we have a pair, the 8 and the 6 in this column, the 8 and the 6 in the third column, so the column between The second column, the only two places left at 8, and then the 6 goes in those two boxes as a pair. So one digit left in this first column for the number 1, the 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 is missing here. 9. Okay. 9, need a 9 here. No 9 here. No 9. Two numbers left in this big square from the numbers 1, 2, 3 is missing. The 4 and the 5 is missing. 3 and the 5, 3 and the 5. Let me mark those. Two boxes. Alright. Yeah, 8 and the 9. Come on, 8 and the 9 are missing here. 6 and the 6 there. And the 6 there. 6. Come on. Need 8. Need 8. 8 also here. 8. Need 8 there. Come on. This is taking too long. 1, 2, 4. Need a 9. 9. Need a 9 here. Need a 9 there. 8 and 9. Come on. Where's the opening? Need a 7 here. Need a 7 there. Yeah. 3 missing numbers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Yeah, give me 7. We have a 7 in this row. No 7. Let's go to 7. Could be here. Could be there. 9. 8. 6. Come on. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Need a 5. 5. Need a 6. 6. And I need a 9. 9. Yeah, I need a 9 in the second row. Well, here can be 9, we have a 9 in the middle column, no 9 there. Here can be 9, we have a 9 in the last column, no 9 there. So the only place left with 9 in the second row should be there. So we have a 9 in the third row, 9 in the second row, so the first row, the only place left with 9 should be there. One box left in the first row for number 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8 is missing here. Two numbers left in this column for numbers the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, 7 is missing, the 8, 9 is missing, 7 and 9. We have a 9 in this row, no 9 there, 9 should be here, 7 goes there. So we have a 9 in this row, 9 in the row below, so last row, the only two places left for 9 should be here or there. We have a 9 in this column, no 9 there, 9 should be there. Mark those two boxes over the 7. We have a 7 in this row, so this can be 7 anymore. That box should be a 7. Then let me think. 8, 6, and need a 5 here. One box left in this column for number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 is missing here. 8 and the 6, we have an 8 in the last row, no 8 there. 8 should be here, and the 6 goes there. 6 in this row, 6 in the last row, so the row between the only place level 6 should be there. 6 in this column, 6 in the middle column, so the column next, the only place level 6 should be there. 6 in this row, 6 in the first row, so the row between the second row, the only place level 6 should be there. Two numbers left now in this big square. Oh, yeah, two numbers left. 4 numbers, 1, the 2, 3, the 4, 5 is missing. The 6, the 7, 8 is missing. 5 and 8. We have 8 in this column, no 8 there. 8 should be here, and the 5 goes there. Two numbers left in this big square. 4 numbers, 1, the 2, 3 is missing. The 4 and the 5 is missing. 3 and the 5, 3 and the 5. We have a 3 in the last column, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and the 5 goes there. 3 and a 5, we have a 5 now in this row, no 5 there. 5 should be here, 3 goes there. 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers 1 and 2. 3 is missing, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, 8 is missing. 3 and 8, 3 and 8. We have a 3 in this row, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and the 8 goes there. 7 and 3, we have a 3 in this column, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and the 7 goes there. And the final 2 numbers in this big square for numbers 1, the 2, 3, the 4, 5 is missing, the 6 and the 7 is missing. 7 and a 5, 7 and a 5. We have a 5 in the third row. No 5 there. 5 should be here, and the 7 goes there. Finish in 15 minutes. Well, not faster. Not faster than 14, 30 minutes. Not a 1 star. If I'm faster than 50 minutes, then will be a 1 star. Let me give this a 2 stars. Yeah. But we solve it again, and I like this one. Yes, I really do. Do you think so? Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file, so you can make it or solve by yourself. Thank you again for watching. See you in a minute with the other 3 puzzles. Until then, bye-bye for now.